It's Sarah and
Sage.
And today we're going to do a 10-minute speed build challenge.
I'm desperate to do this, and make sure you vote who won, because last time I don't think we said that.
Yes, please vote. See who you think did the best on there.
I feel in my bones that I can do this. Probably not, but I'm gonna try.
All right.
Rip my money. Bye-bye, money.
Okay, so I'm going to do, which one are you? You're going to do a tiny home?
I'm doing a tiny home.
Okay, so I'll do a tiny home too.
But let's be honest, we're probably gonna end up selling it because it's probably not gonna look that good.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and
Well, it depends.
change the paint color.
It actually depends, because last time we did an actual speed build, you did the golden house, and now I have my golden house.
Yeah.
So we don't know.
Okay, so my color is going to be, we're gonna do our houses in our favorite color. How about that? Okay.
How a yellow house? Can we just pick a
I guess you could do a random color, but I'm going to do blue since blue is my favorite color.
I'm gonna make it rainbow. And is that allowed? Does that count?
I guess. Okay. We're not gonna talk while we're editing because I'm gonna do a time lapse. Sage.
We do each other's favorite color.
Yeah, we could do that. Or I could just do mine and favorite color, and you can do your favorite color.
I was gonna make it where you could make it
I mean, I've already done that gold house.
Okay, I'll just do rainbow. Here we go.
Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Go. Okay.
Okay, time is up.
I didn't even finish the living room.
That's okay.
Hey, it's better than last time.
Well, that's good.
It's way better than last time.
Mine's not that great because I spent way too much on the fireplace I have over here. I should have just bought the actual fireplace instead of making one. I actually saw this on Megan Plays, but I still didn't get finished with that. So I guess we'll go out here.
And I also made it. Hold on real quick. Ooh! The bedroom is really cute.
Well, come here so we can... Okay, we're going to do it together.
Mine was, oh.
Okay, so we're going to check out... I guess we'll do my home first this time since we did your home first last time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to come in here. Here's my living room.
I guess you were trying to do the thing that I did.
Oh, I didn't even know you were doing that.
No, that was in my daycare home, but with a little lounge. It's not exactly like Megan Place, but that's good to be different. I actually really like your version.
Yeah,
Her
I just...
TV was actually way more expensive, and she actually connected the bricks.
Yeah.
But that is fine. Your version is just as good.
And here is the living room. Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Living room, bedroom. I didn't have time to make a kitchen or anything.
It's fine. You're known for your opposites and speech because on the day she got her golden egg, diamond egg, she called it a golden egg.
Golden unicorn.
There's a lot of videos. Some videos we cut things out.
Okay, so there is the bathroom. The only thing I really changed in there was the floor and the walls. Okay, so let's go check out Sage's.
It is not finished at all, but it's a big improvement from last time. There's nothing in the rooms, but my color is rainbow,
And your door's locked.
Why do I lock my doors even when I'm in your private server?
Nice.
First you come for this pastel rainbow thing. I was working on this and the timer went up and I was trying to fix the bricks, how they are so glitchy, by doing the hack with Kristen. It did not work.
It's okay.
And I was going to put a tiny tree on top of the thing, because we all know, tiny tree on top of the, if you're a true fan, you'll know. Mom, you might not be able to hear it, because in our last or build challenge, she put a tiny tree on top of a closet or wardrobe, and she started laughing over it, like she cracked up over it.
Alright, so make sure you comment below which house you liked better. And there won't be any hurt feelings. We just kind of curious.
You know who this house was also themed on?
Who?
Blossom.
Oh.
My Nyanyi.
Awesome. Alright, so that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below. Don't forget to hit the big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to share with your friends. We'll see you all.
Bye.
We'll see you all next time. Goodbye, everybody.